Hello friends, welcome to the channel Law and Government Job Exam Cluster. In this video we are going to discuss the post of principal in the government of NCT of Delhi, which has been notified by the Union Public Service Commission to advertisement number 07/2021. Before going further, I would request you to kindly subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon and like button. Also post your comment and queries in the comment section. The UPSC through advertisement number 07/2021 has notified for the post of principal in government of NCT of Delhi Education Department. How many posts are there? There is a massive vacancies of total of 363 vacancies, out of which for the male candidate it is 208 and for the female candidate it is 155, out of which 140 vacancies is reserved for notified for the unreserved vacancies, out of which male vacancies are 81 and female vacancies are 59. In EWS category 34 vacancies are there. For male it is 18 vacancy and for female it is 16 vacancy. For the other backward classes, total posts are 106. For male it is 65 posts and for female it is 41 posts. For scheduled caste there are total 57 posts. For male candidate it is 31 and for female candidate it is 26 posts. For scheduled tribe total posts are 26. For male candidate it is 13 and for female candidate it is 13. For person with benchmark disabilities, total posts are 15. In A category, male 2, female 1. In B category, male 3, female 3. In C category, male 1, female 2. In D category, male 1, female 0. And in E category, male 1, female 1. And the description is given in the below mentioned, that A is blindness and low vision, B is deaf and hard of hearing, C is locomotor disability including cerebral palsy, leprosy, cued, dwarfism, acid attack victims and muscular dystrophy. D is autism, intellectual disability, specific learning disability, mental illness, and E is multiple disability amongst person under clauses A to D. So these are the vacancies which has been notified by the UPSC for the post of principal. And what are the requirements? It is in level 12, that is the starting basic would be 78,800 plus DA plus HRA and transport allowance along with the other benefits. So thereby total making approximately 1,75,000 per month. And what is the maximum age? It is 50 years for the general and EWS candidates as on normal closing date, and for 55 years for SC and ST categories, and for OBC it is 53 years. But the last date and the closing date for the experience, qualification and age would be taken as 13th of May 2021 instead of the last date to apply for these posts. So the last date would be 13th of May 2021, and on that date 50 years maximum is for general and EWS, 55 years for SC and ST, and 53 years for other backward classes categories. What are the educational qualification? Master's degree from a recognized university institute and Bachelor of Education, that is B.Ed from a recognized university and institute. Along with that, 10-year experience of teaching either in vice principal, postgraduate teacher PGT, trained graduate teacher TGT in a recognized high school, higher secondary school, senior secondary school, intermediate college. These are the minimum requirement. 10-year experience should be in this category. Desirable qualifications are holding doctorate degree from a recognized university institute and experience of administrative charge of a recognized high school, higher secondary school, intermediate college. Probation would be of 1 year. Headquarters would be Directorate of Education, GNCD of Delhi, Old Secretariat, Delhi 54. It is in General Central Service Group A gazetted post, and the posts are permanent. It is also mentioned that reservation under OBC category will be provided only to those candidates who submit OBC certificate issued by Government of NCT of Delhi. Candidates who submit OBC certificate issued by other state union territories will be considered as general unreserved candidates against general unreserved vacancy. So these OBC category will only be for the Delhi OBC people, means whosoever is holding other backward classes certificate from issued by the Government of Delhi and no other state will only be considered for other backward classes categories. So these are the very wonderful posts, and their total posts are 363, and this is a very massive vacancies in the Delhi government. And in the post of principal, which is a group A officer, and the salary is also 1,75,000 approximately, which is a very huge amount. So whosoever is interested and is eligible can apply for these posts. These are very wonderful opportunity. Thank you friends, thank you for watching this video, and have a very nice day.